Hey guys, all right, so I'm going to make a quick little video about today's code tracing chart debugging program. All right, so you guys are going to do the fire ants, and this is the way it should work. Okay, you're going to go into your Google Classroom, you're going to open up your assignment, make sure you click on view assignment. Now, once you get in there, you guys will click on the microbit site and open it up just like so. There it is. All right. Then you're going to come back and you're going to download this hex file. Okay. It says A1-4 fire ants hex.hex. You're going to click on it. It's going to open to a link, like it's going to open up to a page here. Now, you'll notice here, it's going to ask you to open, or preview not available. All you're going to do is click this little blue button and make sure this is the only thing you tried to do. Click on the blue download button, just like that, and it's going to download it right there in your browser. Remember, download. Don't try to open it. You're downloading. When you're done downloading, close that tab. All right. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to drag our hex file over into our microbit. We're going to grab a hold of it in the bottom of the browser, and we're going to drag it over and drop it. And it's going to open up your hex file. It's going to open up your program. It should say A1-4 fire ants, and make sure you add your last name. Okay, please make sure you add your last name to this program. So it should say A1_4_ fire ants underscore and then Lyra. So that's my last name, but put your own last name, please. All right, now the next thing we want to do, okay, we want to open up you want to open up the code tracing chart. So in your Google Classroom, your code tracing chart will be on the top right under your work. If you opened view assignment, your document will be under the top right under your work. And you'll click on that document. It'll have your name on it. Click on it, and it's going to open up to your code tracing chart like this. Now, we got to do some filling in the blanks, right? If you didn't have some stuff filled in already, you would have to, we'd upload a few things, but we got a lot of this already filled in. So that's going to make it a little easier for you guys. So now the next thing that you want to do is you want to go over and you want we're going to take this out. We don't need to make a snippet because we already have it. Okay, we're going to go and we're going to read what the program is supposed to do. So what's the objective? Where do I find the objective? I find it in the first code comment. I find the objective in the first code comment. Where do I find the objective? In the first code comment. In the first code comment. In the first code comment. Okay, enough of that. All right, so let's go up here to the first code comment. Remember, the first code right here on start, there's a comment bubble. I want to click on that bubble. I want to take it out here, drag it open, and read it. Okay, it said the objective. The objective is the microbit person will do a short dance on the LED grid 8 times. Okay, he's going to dance this 8 times. Look where he's at. He's going to dance this 8 times and end on the first dance move. Okay, so he's going to do his little 2-step dance for 8 times, and he's going to end on this dance move. So now I need to make sure I put this into my code tracing chart. I need to have the objective in the code tracing chart. So I'm going to highlight it, copy it, and I'm going to come over here and see where the objective is down here. I'm going to paste it right in there. There we go. My objective is the little microbit person will do a short dance on the LED grid 8 times, and then he's going to end on the first move. Now, all right, let's see. This is the objective. I got my objective. I know what this program is supposed to do. Let's see how much of it works. So how do we do that? We come over here and test the emulator, of course. So we're going to refresh it. We're going to click play. There's a play button. Nothing's happening. All right, well, something's not right. So now let's go over here and look. So let's fill in some of this information. First of all, on start, when the microbit is on, the program starts, right? Program starts. That's what happens. Okay, so what was supposed to happen in the repeat? It says right here, got to look at our comments. Got to click on the little bubble and read the comments. Repeat dance 8 moves. Repeat these dance moves 8 times. So you got to do this 8 times. So let's see, it says repeats. Okay, repeats what? Dance 8 times. Dance moves 8 times. Okay. All right, I filled that in. Did that happen? Did either one? And then the other here, it says alternate between dance move 1 and 2 8 times. And then, okay, so what was this? So what was supposed to happen then at the end? Oh, let's look at our objective. End on the first dance move. So I have to fill this in. I have to end on the first dance move. Okay, now I have my outcomes. So let's talk about, did the actual outcome happen, or do I need to do a little debugging? So let's go over here. We're going to go back over to our microbit. We're going to run it and test it. Nope, nothing's happening. Nothing at all is happening. So technically, did anything happen on start? No, put the word no. Did the repeat dance moves happen? Nope, didn't see that happen either. What about the endings? Did the ending happen? Nope, he didn't end on his first dance move. So I have 3 bugs. My whole program is bugged. It's full of bugs. Ah! I gotta fix it. Okay, how do I fix it? Well, let's go back and let's read these comments. So the little guy is supposed to do a short dance. So he's supposed to repeat these 2 moves 8 times. Well, oh my, well, look here. It says 0 times. Well, what if we stuck in 8 times? Let's see. Oh, we got something going on here. Oh, look, he's working. He's working 8 times. Check that out. All right, we got him to work. Yay! Now let's see. The next thing is he ends on the first dance move. What am I going to have to do? He's got to end down here on the first dance move. Looks like I need to add a show LED maybe. So I show my LED here. Let's pop him in there. There we go. I got to make my little guy, make his body here, make his little legs here. All right, now let's test it out one more time. All right, let's run it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And he ends. Yay! He did it. Okay, guys, we debugged it. We found out that the 0, there was no number there for it to happen. And he didn't have his cute little body and his dance move on the first move. So on our code tracing chart, down here where it says solution, we have to put a solution. We need to tell what happened. What things did we do to make it work? So the first thing we did was we added 8 to the repeat, right? We added 8 to make it happen because it was 0. And then we added a show LED, under the repeat code of the first dance move, right? That's exactly what we did. Okay, we need to make sure that we take a snapshot or a full screen of the new code. Here is the new code. Now I'm gonna have to move my little self over here a little bit so I can make my code a little bit lower. There we go. All right, I'm gonna close up my thing. So I just want a snippet of my new code. So remember, on a Chromebook, to take a snippet, you hold the Control Shift and press the Windows Shift key, which is that one that has the little rectangle and 2 lines, okay? So, and then it's going to give you a little cross like this. You see this little cross here? And you're going to click and drag. Only make sure that funny little thing is not in the way. And then, or you can take a full screenshot, right? We can take a full screenshot by holding down the Control key and the Windows Shift key, okay? There is our full screenshot. Now we're ready to go back over here and add our picture. So in our picture, we want to make sure we click right here in this column, right next to the original program, and then go to Insert right here, click Image, click Upload from Computer, Okay, well, this one will work. I know that. So let's pop it in here. Anyway, so your screenshot will be there. So you can see right here. Oh, that is my screenshot. So we're going to make it a little bit smaller. You can shrink it up a little bit so it's not so huge. There we go. All right, now you have added your new program. So now you're ready to add a link, a shared link. Remember how to make a shared link. You need to make a shared link because I want to test your program. I see the new code, but I want to test it. Click publish. Plus, you need to get in the habit of doing this. And then copy. And then you're going to go over and you're going to add it. Remember how you add it? This is just an example, okay? Click view assignment over here. Click the add or create. Click link. Paste it and click add link. And there we go. We've now added our link and now you can turn it in. So you're going to turn in both your code tracing chart and you're going to turn in a shared link.